Welcome my tutorial 3. In this tutorial I will show my data entry, and after data entry we will see the live report on your app. For this I will show my column. In this column there is data and cost type, and then cost description, and then cost, and then month-wise cost. And in this data entry, this is cost as month name and year, then cost type, this is cost type, this cost description, with description cost and it. And I will show here the report. For report, go app, then add histogram view report. Click on histogram view report. View name histogram for daily, and this is and I show report chart. It will middle histogram. I will report generate cost sum, y-axis and x-axis. First it will show month-wise cost times month here, then it will show second x-axis, it will show cost type, then it will show cost description wise cost. Legend, if you want you can off and on it. This now my one report. This is month-wise report. After clicking, this is cost type report. This is cost type report. After this is my icon symbol. After making this process, you will get directly a report. After making any entry, it will make update report. Month-wise cost. Thank you very much.